All right, so right here we have our simple melody loop, right? It's a chord progression, and this is how it sounds. So before we get started, you should know that before you make any genre of music, you may actually need the specific types of sound used in the genre, right? So for Amapiano, you can just quickly make a YouTube search, just type in free Amapiano drum kits. You see a couple of it online, right? They sound really good, and there's some premium sounds, but I think you can do something really good with free sounds because that's what I practically use right now. The free sounds on YouTube, right? Just search it up. So right here, I'm going to just this is the kick. This is my rim shots. This is my shaker loop. This is my percussion, another percussion, another percussion, another percussion, right? So, so one thing you notice about the Amapiano drum bounce is that it has this four-step bounce with the kick that keeps repeating. So let's just have that coming, yeah. So now we have our kick. So the next thing we want to have in our snare. Now there are many ways to play your rim shots or your snare or your clap, depends on what element you want to use. And for you to be more familiar with it, it's best to listen to songs you like on my piano and just focus on just the kick and the rim shot or the snare, right? To get the bounce, right? And one of the most popular bounce on my piano is this bounce. It's one of the most popular bounces on my piano. You can even switch it up by having this, or you can even do this. I'm going to keep it really simple for now. Just keep it at this, right? So this is our groove. Okay, so now we're going to build all around this. We're going to build percussions and layers and shakers, right? So let's start with our percussion. Now you're going to keep it really simple. You don't want to overcomplicate it, okay? So all right, so now you can see where it's already coming up really nice, right? And now we have this. And feel free to layer your percussions, okay? It gives it more weight, or even your rim shots. So there are many more elements you can add. You can even add an open heart, right? You can add the open heart, for example. I'm just going to come right here. So here's an open heart. So I may reduce the sustain a bit. Sounds more like a hat, but let's see. This could be another bounce, right? Or you can even make it slower. And there are so many other elements you can keep adding to make it even more interesting, but always remember to keep it really, really simple. And now we can add our shaker loop. Let's see. I think we already have a shaker loop loaded up here. And then let's see how it sounds. Then we can just repeat it. You can see now it sounds good. So let me turn off the melody loop and see how it sounds. Let me turn off the hi-hats. It depends on what vibe you really want to go for, but let's leave that in. And then let's leave everything in. So this is a very easy way to create some piano drum tracks. There are more ways, but this is one of the easiest way you can get your tracks to sound really good. If you found this tutorial, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Cheers.